Okay, here it is assembled. Well, kind of. I mean, still got a lot to go, but there you go. You start off with the back one here. You line up your timing mark on your chain, then you go around a water pump, which you don't have to worry about. Then you line up your next timing mark here. Now, this is where it gets a little funky. You leave, according to the guide, this is the only guide you put on because you have to, because of the sprocket. So you put that guide on, you route it around here, get your timing mark set up over here, and then you sling your chain down there and you start lining up your timing gear on your crank, your timing mark on your crank. So, but it's going to flop around. So you put on this guide right here. You start putting your guides on. I put on this guide, and then I turned it ever so slightly to take up the slack. What you start here and you go around here. You turn it so you give this one more slack. Then you turn this one down to give this one more slack, and you, all while having these cam locks on. So because they do allow for a little bit of movement. So then when you get that on the bottom, you swing it around because you're going to have trouble lining up your tensioner here. Once that's on, I mean, once you spin it enough, you're transferring the slack all the way around the chain, all the way around the sprockets till you get to here. So this arm has enough room for you to push out and whatchamacallit, so it has enough room to push out, so you can get the bottom bolt in or top bolt in, whichever one you start with. So, and my timing marks on the chain don't line up anymore because I've spun the motor around maybe 4 or 5 times already. So there it is. Now it's a matter of cleaning out the oil pan just a little bit. I'm gonna first spray it down with some brake cleaner, and then once it dries up, I'm gonna pour some oil on it and start putting the cover on. It won't be till next week that I get it up and running because I ordered this mount, and the mount isn't going to be here until Tuesday of all days. Yeah, but yeah, so hopefully she's good to go, and we'll see how she goes. All in all, it looks daunting, but if you follow the rules, it's pretty straightforward. It's not rocket.